I have always been fascinated by fire trucks because there's beauty in the complexity of detailed parts and the overall design of how the rig looks. All the detailed components is what inspired me to design a 100-foot tiller truck. I first started off by sketching the truck on paper. I then added more sketch features and refined my drawings to better represent the amount of detail that was on each part of the truck. On the internet, I found 2 good photos that showed the side in detail, so I scaled it in SolidWorks to the actual length of the truck. This allowed me to trace the body from the images. The cab and chassis required a lot of detail, and this was the bulk of my project. I used split lines to create the doors and text on the sides of the rig. I also used sweeps to create the door handles and make the 3D rubber strip that bordered the windows. The headlights and the light bar, all created using a lofted base. The hardest part of the cab was the front windshield, and ensuring that the 3D sketch sweep didn't interfere with the cab's fillet. I also used linear patterning in conjunction with many cut extrudes and linear sketch patterning and split lines to create the backside compartment of the cab. For the wheels, I sketched a cross section and revolved it around a central construction line. The back part of the cab consists of many split lines and decals to give the sides more interesting look and feel. The ladder assembly consists of linear patterning of the extrude cuts to make the triangular structure. The second ladder was scaled down so that it could be mated inside the larger ladder and so it could extend. All 13 parts of the truck are connected together and can move with each other, including the 2 ladders, the chassis, the back part of the rig, the ladder base, and the wheels all articulate to provide a real-life physical scenario of what this truck would do. To further investigate the strength of my ladder, I did a static simulation to see what the stresses and displacement would be if a load of 420 pounds was added, presumably a firefighter with heavy gear hoisting up an injured victim who's being rescued. The majority of the stress was on the top of the rails, but with the good design of the triangular cross sections, the ladder did not fail. This project took me over 40 hours and was challenging at times. However, it was a blast because it taught me so many things about SolidWorks and what I can create in the future.